Trimble is proud to introduce the GuidEx machine guidance application, which provides intuitive guidance for a wide array of applications tailored toward the resource exploration industry. Route guidance is designed to streamline land clearing operations for access routes. Eliminating the need to pre-state corridors, operators choose a design route to navigate, indicate direction of travel, and begin navigating a custom width corridor. The integrated light bar provides visual and audible alarming for remaining within the corridor. Navigation can be performed in either a 2D overhead or 3D chase view. Machine travel is logged for record of machine activity. Point navigation guides machine operators to design targets without field evidence, eliminating the need to pre-survey. Operators select a design target to navigate to, and the intuitive navigation guides operators to the design target, again either in a 2D or 3D view. Visual and audible indication informs the operator when custom tolerances are satisfied. Operators then survey the location either manually or via system electronics. Additionally, non-designed target locations can be surveyed as culture points to map out points of interest. Operators define a name and optionally a comment for culture points, which is then logged for supervisors to review. Custom pad navigation and task tracking can be used for monitoring efficiencies of a pad construction project. If operators navigate without defining an active task, they are prompted visually with a screen flash, ensuring daily activity is tracked. Tasks can be designed to be performed with or without a design pad selected. Tasks not requiring pads simply appear as an active task, which the operator can stop when complete. This can include activities such as fueling, machine maintenance, weather, etc. Tasks requiring pads prompt the user to define the design target to be constructed. Navigation information to the center of the pad is then provided and the operator performs their task. Pads can be displayed in any design layout, including pad sumps and azimuth line indicators. Once the operator completes their activity, pad statuses can be updated, defining the next task required for efficient pad construction workflows. Exclusion and/or inclusion zones can be used as warnings to keep operators out of hazardous areas or within permitted boundaries. Operators are alerted with both proximity events when nearing a zone, as well as breach events. GuidEx can be installed on virtually any machine with ease, and supports a wide variety of 3D machine models to represent the machine location on the screen. Optionally, a simple arrow and crosshair can be used in place of a 3D machine model if desired. For more information on the Trimble GuidEx machine guidance, please contact your local SciTech dealer.